Hi everyone, my name is Anna and I am in Scotland right now, Glasgow, because I am here for a work trip and today is my last day and we're doing a lot of filming today. I'm like wearing all black for filming, and so obviously I have to do my face. And YesStyle, this is my second collaboration with them. They sent me some products for me to review. So I thought I would do like a get ready with me with some of the YesStyle products that I received. And I haven't tried it at all, so it's also like a first impressions. So I'm very excited about this. So I've done my skin, my base makeup and my eyebrows. I have some lip balm on, but everything else I'm gonna try with the YesStyle products. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with is this contour shading thing, and it's from a brand called McQueen New York. It comes in a box set like this, and it's nice. They include a brush. Looks like MAC packaging, to be honest. And so brush feels nice, good quality. And contour kit. It looks exactly like the one I have at home, the Too Cool for School. So I'll be excited to try this out, see if it's any different, because I mean I love that one. Because we're going to be on camera and I feel like doing shading, like contouring, makes such a huge difference. If it's anything like my other one, I usually just mix all three and I contour along my face. So let's just try this now. Sorry, the lighting and the audio in here is not optimal. I'm not at home, at a hotel, so let's give it a go. So along my hairline. Can't really see what I'm doing in this light. For my general face, I prefer to have a bigger brush, so I'm gonna just grab that. This is the brush I use for my general face contours. I'm just gonna do this just to really test out the product. Okay. And then you always want the contour here, along the jawline, to separate your face and your neck. And you drag it down here. Also makes the neck look longer. Asian contour is like very subtle. It's nothing like the Kardashian style type contour where it's really harsh. It's very subtle, everything, which is how I like it. I mean, I don't know if you can tell in this lighting, but I can tell when I'm looking in the mirror. It definitely has color payoff. I mean, I can definitely tell. You probably can't tell, but I can tell. I feel like it's just really similar to my Too Cool for School product. Let's try doing a nose contour. And this brush is also really nice. It's just, for me, I like to have like a bigger, rounder brush for my general face. For me, this is more of a blush brush. So I guess it's your preference. But it's nice that they include it. And then for my nose contour, I'm just gonna mix the lighter two, not the dark one, just these two. And go on my nose contour. I mean, yeah, can you tell? My nose bridge has gone a bit higher now. First impressions is like, oh yeah, you can definitely tell. My nose is standing up. Yeah, definitely. I mean, first impressions wise, I really like this. I would definitely use it. My Too Cool for School one is like hitting the pan. So once I'm finished with that one, I'll definitely be happy to use this. So thank you, YesStyle, for sending me. Okay, and so for the second product that I got sent, I'm so happy and excited about this. Also, look at the packaging is coming. They're after my heart. This is like the type of purples, pinks that I like. And this is called the Moonshot Pure Layered Palette, and it's in the color Rosy Bloom. And it also comes with like some instructions, numbered instructions, and with the color names as well. So let's do my eyes. So it looks like this. I'm gonna try and get the true color as best as possible. Look at that glitter, I love it. Okay, so these for the eyes, and this you can also use for the eyes, but you can also use it as a blush. So I might do that because I love blush. I'm just gonna go straight in with this one for my eyes and use that as a base. So I've put this rosy pink color as my base. It looks very pretty right now. It's very subtle, but it looks really pretty, which is how I like it. I'm just gonna put it on the under as well. My eyes already look like they have more depth. To even create more depth, I'm gonna go in with this color. It's kind of browny. Yeah, pinky browny, this color. It's really pretty. Underneath. Yeah, very pretty. And then I'm gonna use this color right here, and I'm just gonna pack it on kind of outer and then towards the middle. Now I will blend it out. It's going to look really good when I have eyeliner and mascara on as well, I think. But I promise it's gonna look good. Oh my god, it's really pretty. And then I am like a magpie. I love glittery things, so I'm gonna use that and just put it in the middle to the front part of my eye. I'm just gonna use my fingers because that's the best. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? You can't see. I'm just gonna do it. Use my finger and just do this. Oh my goodness. Hold on. I'm sorry, this lighting you can't tell, but I have a feeling that when I go outside it's gonna look quite intense. I'm gonna forego on the blush because also I have to review the lip color and that's quite pigmented as well, so I don't wanna look crazy. That's done for the eyeshadows. I'm just gonna do like my eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll review the next lip product. So I've just done my eyeliner, so my eyes look slightly more defined, and I'm not gonna do my mascara, and I just have a tip because I don't have extensions right now. They've basically all fallen out. I'm now using like mascara and an eyelash color, and a good tip with a hairdryer, I just blew hot air on my eyelash color, and this is like, you know how you when you want to style your hair you will apply heat. It's the same principle. So this is quite hot now, and then I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Make sure it's not too hot so you don't like burn your skin or your eye. And then can you see it's already gone up so much? I'll do this one. It's like using hair colors but for your lashes. So apply some hot air, and then leave it to cool, and then I'll put more mascara on after this. Now my eyes have just been opened up, so that's a really good tip. So ooh, lashes. To be honest, I could just go out like this. I look so much better than before. So my final product is a lip product, and it's from the same brand, Moonshot, and it has the same purple packaging. I'm obsessed. It's called Moonshot Tin Fit Shine, and it's in the color 503 Mellow Rose. It's a water coating tint that delivers pure volume shine. How pretty is the packaging? Obsessed. So pretty. So yeah, this kind of color, because it's quite intense, I don't want to put it like all over my lips, so I'm just going to put it in the middle and then use my fingers to pat it out. And very shiny, makes me look like I have bigger lips. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna try to show you in different lighting as well. I love this, and it tastes nice. So this is how my makeup looks right now in different lighting. I wish I had a window so I could show you in natural light, but I am obsessed, and I love this lip thing too. Oh my goodness. I mean, I think I look pretty after this. So thank you, YesStyle. I can 100% genuinely say I'm going to use everything just after this. I'm going to carry on using all of these because I really like them. And this is perfect for like winter months because, you know, your lips get drier and it's really moisturizing. So thank you, YesStyle, for sending me these. So I should probably go and pack the rest of my stuff and get ready to have a filming day. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.